Hi, my name is Usman Sabir. I'm a third-year medical student at Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. I fell in love with the anatomy of the human body, the different intricacies of what connected everything, the nerves, the vessels, the arteries, how every muscle worked together. At Burrell, we learned different techniques that we could treat with our hands, and I think we have an upper hand and an advantage because we can even treat patients now with different manipulation techniques, and it's almost instant relief for them sometimes, so it's pretty rewarding. So I chose Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine because I talked to former students that were there, and the location was great. They said the faculty was amazing, and being able to have a proper anatomy lab and see the different human bodies and muscles and nerves and all that. I think the faculty did an amazing job, and the professors we had were spectacular, and it just led to an overall good experience in my education here.